In this section, I'm going to see how to embed a Google map within a page. So the first thing you need to do is to go to Google and then either type in a sort of general address, like in my case, I might type in Perth, or my exact business address. In this case, I'm just going to type in the word Perth, because I live in Perth in Western Australia. And then I'll go and click on where it says Maps. And there's a map of Perth. Now what I can do is, I can get rid of that. I can blow it up a bit, something like that. So I'll go for something like that. So let's say that's the sort of map I want. I just simply go over here to where it says Menu. Then go down here to where it says Sharing or Embed. And you can either link or embed. In this case, we want to embed this, so I'll click here. Now we can take the default, which is that sort of size, or if I want to, I can have a large or a custom size. In this case, I'm going to go for a custom size. So I'm going to go for, say, 1200 by 500. I'll give it a nice sort of letterbox shape. I can preview the actual size here. So I think, yep, that looks okay. So all I need to do is to copy the URL, which I can do by dragging across it, or I can just click here, it says copy HTML. So I've now copied this into the clipboard. If I go back to my pages, what I'm going to do is I want to embed this on the Contact Us page. That would make sense. So I'll bring up the Contact Us page. And then down the bottom here, what I could do is I could click here, and if we look at the various options here, there's an embed option. So if I click where it says embed, I could use that. Or there are other options. So if I go to, I think it's formatting, I could click on where it says custom HTML, and within here I could just do Control V and that'll paste that code in. Now that code, as you can see, is embedded in what's called an iframe, which starts here and ends there. So that is actually HTML code. That's why I couldn't just simply go to a paragraph block like we did with some of the items we used before and just paste things in, because in this case it's not a short code I'm pasting in, it's some code. So I've pasted that code in, so let's go and update this. So at the back end, this is what we see, but here's the interesting bit. Let's go to the front end. Let's go to the Contact Us page. And what you see is the embedded map, like so. And it works just like it would normally, so you can zoom in and out. And you can drag around. So that's how you embed a map, a Google map, on your Contact Us page. Very, very simple.